Hi everyone. So today it's going to be a monthly read, especially for my zodiac signs, and this is going to be for my Capricorn and Aquarius zodiac cusp sign. We are going to try and find out how this entire month of January 2021 will be like. So it's going to be a generic read, darling. So it may or it may not resonate with most of you. So whatever resonates, you take, and the rest you can actually leave behind. Okay. If you are new to my channel, darling, please hit the subscribe button, do like and share, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you have been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for supporting the channel and being a part of Vivra to Live family. So yeah, we will try and find out how the month of January 2021 will be all about, and let's see what the energies are trying to tell us, what guidance can we have, and yeah, let's try and see. So angels and spirit guides. Okay, this card was there, it went too quick, but I will take that. Okay, so angels and spirit guides, please can we have some messages for my lovely sweethearts as to how this entire month of January 2021 will be all about. Let's see what's in store for you. Okay, seems that was the only card that was popping up. Let's see. Okay, there we have too many messages, but no, because it's too many, I will okay, finally we have some. Okay, there we have. Let's have this card. It seems everyone is getting exhausted, is it? Because couple of my zodiac cusp signs have been through. Yeah, why not? It's a blend of two signs. Now you have traits of a sign of the one previous and the one that you belong to. So it's always a mixed bag that you will carry the energies of both the signs. Okay, let's I'll place these cards, and let's see what are they trying to say. Okay, I'll just shift this a little so you can have a better view. There we have. Okay, yeah, I'm just checking whether the placement goes okay. So you have all the cards in one line. Perfect. Now let's have some angelic guidance also, sweeties, and then we can begin with your read. Okay, so angels and spirit guides, please can we have some messages as to how this entire month will be for my lovely sweethearts. Let's see what's in store for them. Okay, no, I'll just take one shuffle. If not, then probably that is one prominent card that has popped up, so maybe that is exactly what is required. No, so we just have one card which is very, very strong, and that card, what that angel is saying is, ta-da, interesting. Okay, let's begin with your read. First and foremost thing is, darling, you could feel that you're thoroughly suppressed. If you can see two words getting squeezed, going down, too many thoughts, you are just overthinking. It's just an emotion release. This can also mean that you could have been highly exhausted. Now this calls on work front. Okay, the reason why I said is because a couple of my sweetheart cusps zodiac signs have been going through a lot of exhaustion period. So 2020 has been very heavy. That energy has been really heavy, or you could be carrying that heavy energy in this upcoming month. Okay, so advisable, it's just a thought, you need to release that. What do? Do whatever you like, man. You feel like jumping, jump up and down. You feel like exercising, please exercise. But don't take out your anger, huh? Because a lot of people tend to get into the exercise mode, not because they want to exercise, but sometimes they're just removing their frustration or the anger. So don't do that. Step out in the nature. I always tell, nature is the best healer, no matter what. So listen to good music, something that makes you feel happy. Dance. If you think meeting friends and having a hearty laugh makes you feel good, do that. Sometimes if you feel binge eating, like something that you've been on a crash diet and you want to enjoy that that chocolate bar of chocolate or some ice cream, do something that makes you feel good. Okay, very, very important. You need to have that me time. How you do that, you know what you are going through. So whatever it is, you need to enjoy that. Okay, don't suppress yourself. The minute you get that suppression, take a break, even if it's got to be like, a power nap of like some 5 minutes. That will make you feel good. Or if it's just like, listening to some good song and you feel that, okay, listening to some good music makes you feel good, fine, go for it. Listening to some calming music, meditational music and all. On YouTube, you have a lot of calming playlists that keeps playing and all. So if you think that will help you, do that. Whatever makes you feel good, darling, you have to do that, okay? You will have lot of intensity moving in, okay? Whatever intensity is, just go for it, okay? People could feel that they could be threatened with your energy, thinking, my gosh, look at the energy this person is so focused, working day and night and all. Fair enough. They could also wonder, how come this person has so much of energy? Don't bother. You are in the correct direction. You're going to have success. You're going to have growth. You will have abundance. Just keep going with it. Okay. So on work front, you need not. But in that entire bargain, darling, just don't stress yourself. Okay. Whatever hard work you have put in, yes, you will start reaping the benefits. Ta-da! So it's a new journey you have embarked on. Just keep walking and keep working hard. Whatever you're working, you will reap that. Okay. So on finance front, if you think that whatever is happening, will it be good? Yes. Universe is saying that yes, you are going to reach that sunrise, that goal that you're looking forward for. Just keep working hard and do your best. You will receive whatever you desire. Okay. So don't question. If you are daydreaming about someone, then yes, you will meet this person. Oh, you're so missing this person. Or you're missing that, that emotion of being loved or being pampered and all, then yes, you will. Oh, it's like you will either reconcile with this person if you are looking forward for, but there is someone you're missing. Don't worry, you will meet that person. The only thing that you have to release is the guilt, the overthinking. You are just confused. These are the barriers that only you are overthinking. If you see, there is beautiful layer of flowers, which is beautiful, but look at you screaming your lungs out. Look at these hands. From nowhere, these hands are coming up. So you are going into anxiety issues. You yourself have closed your eyes. You yourself are screaming your lungs out. But if you see, there is a lot of calmness. So darling, it's just an imagination you're living in, and universe is saying there is nothing as such. If there is any guilt, you need to release. If there is any wrongdoing or blame game, whatever it is, you need to release. Okay. It's a new chapter, new year, new month that has started. So release. Okay. Either you're just overthinking, maybe reality may not be that way, is what the universe is saying, because you have a lot of good things. But that start itself is only just getting you stuck, getting you into that suppression mode. Okay. What the angels are saying is, somehow you have been blessed with some creativity. Whatever creativity you have, darling, nurture it. You are definitely going to have success. If you belong to some creative side, yes, success is assured. Name, fame, money definitely will flow in. If you are into some working, in some business or something as such, try to present your projects in some creative way. Maybe that will help in bringing more clients or bringing more business. Okay. If not, then you can enroll in some creative class to release your exhaustion. So you can do anything. Creative can be in anything. If you think learning some new art, baking, craft making, pottery making, or gardening, or if you love music, then any instrumental piece, if you want to learn anything, you know what you are blessed with, or you want to learn, you can go for it. You will have success, guaranteed. Now we know everything on the work front, on the spiritual front, on the family front, everything. Where is love? We need to know the love, right? So let's try and find out from the universal angels and spirit guides. Please can you help us getting some messages as to how the love life will be all about. Okay, so let's see what's in store for you. Any messages that are coming up. Let's see, how can we go about. Okay, there we have the first. Are there any messages that are coming up? Yes, we have. Any other messages coming up? No, we don't. So the first thing it says, love yourself. So darling, you have to love yourself. Only once you start loving yourself, you will be more attractive. I'm not saying that you may not be loving, but in this month or the period that you've been going through, you know what situation you are sailing in, whatever boat you are sailing in, you need to love yourself. No matter what, you have to give yourself a priority. If you are in a relationship, or if you're committed, or you are married, then yes, you need to bring a little playfulness in that. Okay, so once you be a little playful and rekindle, maybe that passion will ignite. If you have been single, then yes, you need to be a little playful. Maybe that is exactly what angels are saying. Or maybe your partner could be missing that playfulness, that romance, or that those things they could be missing. So you need to love yourself, darling. You just can't be allowing things, some things which you may not be happy, and you need to be a little playful. Maybe a playful side of yours is something that angels are trying to help you in coming across one wonderful partner also. You never know. Allow things to happen. Okay, let's have one last additional message just for you, okay, for this entire month. Let's see. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us? Any additional messages? I'm so sorry, darling, for the light, some technical issue. Just hang on. Okay, I'm back. I'm so sorry, my love, for the technical issue that came up. But yes, what the universe is saying is you need to smile. Darlings, it's high time. It's like, when you smile, you attract all the good things, no matter what you go through, and you will bring in load of abundance, lot of peace, okay? You will attract also a lot of good things. So you need to smile. Go in the mirror and look at yourself. Yeah, see how beautiful smile you have. Don't look at what flaws you've got on your face, but when you smile, you bring in a lot of good things. Like, it's very infectious. But smile genuinely. Don't smile, don't fake your smile, is what universe is saying. And it says trust the timing. So whatever is gonna happen will take time, and whatever happens also, there is a timing that is required. So there is a divine timing that will take place. Allow things to happen. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. And do hit the bell icon so that you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. I will definitely see you soon, my love. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and have a wonderful month ahead, my love.